more, do you? And nobody thought anything different in them days, and there was just characters. But now, if you seen a gully, you'd say to yourself, "That's racist," but it's not racist. It's just a little cartoon. Cartoons are not racist. Do you know what I mean? It's wrong, isn't it? It proper is wrong. And do you know what I think we're going to do here on the Sounds of Salford? Yes, we're going to organise a Sounds of Salford street party. And everyone should have street parties in Salford just to prove that we can still do it. Even though we're 50, I think that's what we should do. Do you know what I mean? And something else that has changed. There was proper busies on the plod, wasn't there? You know what I mean? There was pounding the street. Not like these plastic ones you get. Community police. What are community police all about? I don't know. I haven't really got a clue on that one. I can't really get my head around that one, to be honest. And, right, 30 years ago, every single street there was a brilliant chippy, wasn't there? And you're not getting it nowadays, are you? And it's all wrong, innit? Because there's that many choices now with all these takeaways, like going back to what it was before: Kentucky, McDonald's, kebabs. I thought that was a little Turkish baby, a kebabby. Do you know what I mean? See that then? That was a text. Well, you're not getting a song. Sadly, you're not getting a song tonight. I'm not going to argue about it. He's just not getting one because Williams is just reminiscing. He's just in a little world of his own. Right. Does anyone remember the Band-Aid thing? Yes, the Band-Aid when that first came out 30 years ago. Well, at the time, everyone thought it was great, but it's just milked it for 30 years. Well, what I'm not going to do, I'm not going to milk anything. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to throw a song on that I always used to listen to as a kid. And it's Manchester's finest. It's the Bee Gees. How Deep Is Your Love?
Touch me in the pouring rain, and the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave, and it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? Deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. I believe in you. You know the door to my very soul. You're the light in my deepest, darkest doubt. You're my savior when I fall. And you may not think I care for you when you know down inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. Na 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 Come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm. We belong to you and me. Deep is your love, and deep is your love. I really mean to love, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. Deep is your love, and deep is your love. I really mean to love, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be.
Oh, she may be weary. Them young girls, they do get wearied wearing that same old shaggy dress. Yeah, yeah. But when she gets weary, try a little tenderness. Yeah, yeah. Oh, man, that. You know she's waiting, just anticipating for things that she'll never, 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 never possess. Yeah, yeah. But while she's there waiting, and without them, try a little tenderness. That's all you gotta do. It's not just sentimental, no, no, no. She has her grief and care, yeah, yeah, yeah. But the soft words, they are spoke so gentle, yeah. It makes it easier to bear. Yeah. You won't regret it, no, no. Young girls, they don't forget it. Love is their home, happiness, yeah. But it's all so easy.
Ready, we'd try a little tenderness, and we should all try a little tenderness now and again, and we should all reminisce, because no one can, they can take away your freedom and everything, but what they can't take away, they cannot take away your memories, and your memories are the best thing you can ever have. Right, on that note, we'll finish off with the song of the week. Why the song of the week? Because it's the things. This week they're playing the Tiger Lounge, yes, and the Sounds of Salford have decided we'll pay for you all to get in. You can go in there for free. All you got to do is mention the Sounds of Salford on the door and we'll foot the bill. How good does that get? It don't really get much better than that, does it? Or you could stay in and you could watch the X Factor. Yeah, what are you going to do? Watch the X Factor. Oh, please put me through. Please put me through. Or watch Real Talent. Lads that cart the gear around every week. Well, we will always support local bands on this station. And I don't think we can do it much more than that than paying for it all. So get down there, get to the Tiger Lounge, go and see the things. All you got to do is mention the Sounds of Salford and Williams will foot the bill. So if you've enjoyed what you've listened to the Sounds of Salford. If you haven't, then listen to Key 103 in future.